mostly Indians who come, they find us through Google.
Yeah?
Yeah, because we don't have any advertisement, we don't have any banner, any board here.
Mutton kebab,
Chicken kebab,
chicken tikka,
Alfaham, Chopan.
chopan.
Very good.
This juice, we need it for the rice. But it will be a good piece.
Oh man, are you serious? It's like a proper leg piece, huh?
Yeah. It is cooked in this, it is served in this.
Can I see it?
Yes.
All right.
And this one is actual mandi. This is the mandi chicken. This is the juice we need for mandi chicken.
How was the food?
This is one of the best in Delhi, in Haryana.
Yeah?
I saw it. One of the
Where are you from?
I'm from Somalia, East Africa.
Mandi. ये 1, 2, 3 को ये देखो wild food yo what's up people। हाँ जी, आज के वीडियो में वो दिखाऊंगा दैट आई कैन कमिट यू कि पूरे दिल्ली एनसीआर में आपको एक रेस्टोरेंट ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा जो ऐसा हो। जगह को कहा जाता है ग्रिल अरबी और यहाँ पे पता है कि एक लाइव बालकनी है जहाँ पे सारा काम हो रहा है। इतनी बड़ी फिश देखी बारबेक्यू होती जिसे कहते हैं अल्फाहम फिश, जो ग्रिल के अंदर बड़ी बड़ी फिश को ना आराम से अंगीठी में पका रहे हैं और उसी के साथ में अल्फाहम चिकन। कहने का मतलब यहाँ पे आपको इराकी ब्रेड्स मिलती हैं जो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी साइज की होती हैं और उसके साथ साथ कह रहे हैं शोएब जो हमारा कमाल है वो है अंगीठी के ऊपर टर्किश कबाब, तुर्की कबाब जो अपने मसाले के होते हैं और उसी के साथ में कह रहे हैं जो सबसे ज़्यादा ऑर्डर करते हैं लोग दैट इज चिकन और मंदी राइस। पूरा बड़ा सा प्लेटर बना दिया जो आराम से 2-3 लोग मिलकर खा सकते हैं। एंड बाय द वे अगर मटन ना बनो पागलों वाले तो इनकी एक डिश आती है लैम बुरमा जो बड़े बड़े मटन के पीस होते हैं, कम्स विद अ ब्रॉथ एंड विद दैट चोपन कबाब, चोपन मटन चॉपिंग chops, जो भी कहना है कह लो। इट इज़ अ डिलाइट फॉर नॉन वेज लवर्स एंड समथिंग दैट यू विल नॉट सी। एंड इन फैक्ट जो यहाँ पे क्राउड भी होता है ना, यू विल सी लेस ऑफ इंडियंस एंड मोर ऑफ मिडल ईस्टर्न पीपल या फिर अलग अलग जगहों के। यार ये बिल्कुल आर्टेमिस के सामने है, गुड़गांव के अंदर जगह, तो यहाँ पे ना यू विल सी अ मिक्स ऑफ क्राउड। मिलते हैं आपको पूरा लाइव बारबेक्यू सेटअप दिखाता हूँ जो आराम से खाना पक रहा है। अपने टेबल का पूरा स्प्रेड लगाना है और नॉनवेज की वो हर एक आइटम दिखानी है जो आपने आज तक किसी भी वीडियो में नहीं देखी होगी। एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली दैट द फूड इज सो टेम्पटिंग दैट शूट करना मुश्किल हो रहा है। वीडियो के अंत तक बन रहा ना, बहुत पानी आएगा। चलें गाइस, दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रिल अरबी एंड यहाँ पे यू विल सी अ होल सेटअप। हाय, हाउ आर यू ब्रदर? व्हाट्स योर नेम ब्रदर? मुजीब भाई, हाय, कैसे हैं? ठीक है, कंफर्टेबल विद इंग्लिश, हिंदी? Both? So let's do mix of both,
Yes.
huh? Acha, can I see the grill first?
Yes, please, I will explain for you.
Arey wow, just look at this, guys. Can I see one by one?
Yes, this will be Alfaham fish.
Which fish is this?
Zubaydi.
Zubaydi.
Yes.
Comes from where?
This is the farm fish.
Acha.
Yes.
And this is?
This one is the chicken Alfaham.
Okay, this is half of a portion, right?
Half. This is the half, and this one is chopan, especially Afghani and
Mutton chopan. Can I know when do you marinate all of this?
yeah. The fish we don't marinate at all. The chicken we need marination at least for 24 hours.
24 hours.
And chopan we need at least 24 hours for marination. After that,
Can I see chopan? Can I open it? Guys, एक मिनट यहाँ पे आके देखना. Just look at this.
lamb meat.
So it's very
And-
precisely lamb meat, right?
Yes, and we get the meat fresh. We don't use the frozen meat, nothing.
And where do you get lamb from?
Chicken, we have our supplier, they bring for us every day fresh lamb, fresh chicken and fresh fish.
Very good. And that's also
That
Alfaham,
one is
right?
the full Alfaham, yes.
Can I see full Alfaham as well?
Yes, why not?
So Alfaham obviously served in a butterfly cut.
Yes. And that is the actual proper cut for Alfaham with the skin. And this will be the back side. There will be no spicy here. But on order we make it spicy because our Middle Eastern customers, they don't like it spicy.
Right?
So they need only salt and just little spice.
Done.
This is our chicken tikka.
Oh, you give chicken tikka?
Yeah, this is chicken
You use
tikka.
thigh or breast?
No spicy. Yes, it is breast.
Breast pieces. Okay. So people, they like dry chicken.
Here, yes.
Yeah?
Our customer base, the Middle Eastern people and the Uzbeki people, they like it dry.
Yeah?
And more cooked.
And this is your obviously kebab.
Yes, mutton kebab.
Mutton
This
kebab.
one is our chicken kebab.
Wow, can I just kind of have a look? Guys, just look at this. So the masalas are already ready.
Yes.
And they're all handmade, obviously, that I can
Yes.
see. Very good. You know, that's the beauty part of it. What time do you open and close?
We open at 9:30 and closing is 9 p.m. 8:40 we take our last order for the grill because grill takes time.
And I've seen many customers are not Indians. That's very okay here.
Actually, here customer base is the Middle Eastern people, CIS countries, and the African. These three are our customer base.
And now Indian will come.
Actually, mostly Indians who come, they find us through Google.
Yeah?
Yeah, because we don't have any advertisement, we don't have any banner, any board here.
So honestly, I also found you on Google. Your rating was 4.6, so like, let's do it, huh? What else do we have?
Here we are making the bread.
You call it caboose, right? And so big Iraqi bread. That's good, man. Just look at the size of the dough, guys. I came and I have a look. अब आपको समझ नहीं आएगा कैमरे में. So people love breads with their chicken.
Even with the rice, they like the bread. There is no concept for the dry or gravy. No, bread with everything.
Yeah?
You need bread with everything.
Can I just ask for your review, man? How was the food?
This is one of the best in Delhi, in Haryana.
Yeah?
I saw one of the
Where are you from?
I'm from Somalia, East Africa.
Wow, that's so good, man. What did you order?
Because I ordered the surpiya.
Yeah?
Surpiya and chicken surpiya.
It was good?
Yeah, very nice. You see there.
So that's so good, yeah. People having good food. And for a change, not Indian, ना. इधर आना एक चीज़ दिखाता हूँ. Come here, इधर आओ साथ मेरे. मेरे पैरों में लगी हुई. I'm limping, यार. Guys, just look at this. So this is the whole grill. Once again, Al-Faham fish, Al-Faham chicken. This is chicken kebab.
मटन कबाब,
Chicken kebab.
चिकन टिक्का,
Al-Faham chopan.
चोपा.
Very good. Are we going inside now? Guys, come inside. So this is always packed, huh? Hanji, where are we going now?
I will show you the prep room.
Yeah. So this is your?
Yeah, this is the prep room. The main food, like the Middle Eastern and Afghani food, we cannot make it on the spot. For Zurbian, we need at least 4 to
This is your
5 hummus. We serve it with the shawarma plate.
Oh yeah, shawarmas as well.
Yeah.
Very good.
So we prepare the meat, rice, and from here we serve it to the
Can I
customer.
see something here?
Yeah, why not? I will show you first thing. This is the favorite dish for the Arab people.
Can I see one of them?
Yes. This one is
this?
called hanith. It is cooked in coal. So the lamb meat is wrapped in silver foil, and then butter paper, 2 layers of silver foil.
It's too much of oil, huh?
No, this is not oil. This is the juice from the
Foil,
meat.
foil, I said
No, from the meat.
Oh.
Yeah, the juice. And we need this for rice. We put it over the rice when we serve it.
Oh my God.
This is
Just
lamb
zoom
meat.
in for you once. So this is
Hanith.
Hanith.
Yes.
How's it prepared?
And this we wrap it in the silver foil, and we just.
Is it barbecued?
No, it is buried in coal. See, this is both of them. You can see is wrapped
This is what?
in silver foil, both. But there is a big difference. This one is hanith. This one is mandi laham, mandi with meat. This is. You will see that.
What cut is this?
This will be the leg piece, I hope, because we don't know. Only the chef know which piece he wrapped here.
No, I know, I get it.
Yes.
Nobody can see. Let's make a guess.
Yeah, but it will be a good piece.
Oh man, are you serious? Can you kind of take it out a little bit?
Yeah.
Just look at this, guys. It's like a proper leg piece, huh?
We need a leg piece for this. This one is our very favorite dish, even for us and for the Arab customers. This is lamb meat with soup. We call it burma.
Burma.
Burma is the actual name in Yemen.
Can we see it?
Yes, why not? People love this one with rice or bread. This is served with the pot.
Oh, with the handi itself.
Yeah, we serve it with this. It is cooked in this, it is served in this.
Can I see it?
Yes.
All right.
It will have some vegetables, carrot and onion and coriander and green vegetables.
So good. This is your?
This one is mandi rice.
Mandi rice.
The mandi rice, the color should be actually this.
Can we start plating the food?
Yes, why not?
What is this, brother?
This is a shawarma plate.
This is
and the
mutton or
last,
chicken?
Chicken.
This is chicken.
Yeah, the last thing we put at the end. This is the pomegranate molasses. Do one rating for the hanith. So hanith, you have the option. You can serve it with mandi rice. You can serve it with the white rice. But original one, that is with the mandi rice. And this is one serving for one person. And our Middle Eastern customers, they need this much.
So this is the quantity.
Yeah, this
And
is.
I think for Indians, I think 2 people will have it.
Yeah. Yes. So the hanith I show you, we serve it with this. In the first layer, we take it, and the juice we need it for the rice. This juice We need it for the rice.
And that's your alfaham?
Yeah, we will take it.
So this is mandi chicken.
Yeah, so actually wherever you see mandi, you should know the color. This is one serving for one person.
So there's a difference between biryani rice and mandi rice.
Oh, totally.
Yeah? I've also heard this in the past.
Yes, and this one is actual mandi. This is the mandi chicken. This is the juice we need for mandi chicken.
Just look at this.
And this juice should go to the rice.
So that it kind of merges
Yes.
together.
Yes.
ये देख लो जी गाइस, ये मेरा खाना अंदर प्लेटिंग के लिए जा रहा है। फिश, चोपन, वो अल्फाम का है, अल्फाम अंदर लग चुका है। चलो Just look at this guys. यहाँ हो गया चोपन.
First we start with chopan. It
So
will
you get
be
how many pieces?
4 pieces. 2 will be ribs and 2 will be boneless.
Okay.
Yes.
And if somebody says I only want mutton chops,
See, customer is the main thing.
that's a good attitude towards customers. And that's your Turkish kebab, right?
Yes.
So good thing about fish that it doesn't need marination. Just a bit of lemon squeeze, a bit of
Lemon and
seasoning.
salt.
That's
That's it. Yes. Main thing the customer should know. Never eat the fish from skin side. Never.
Never eat.
Yes. This side is only for burning. You burn it as much you burn it, but the meat will be perfect. Only skin will
So
be
one
burned.
side should be eaten.
Yes. These things many people don't think about it, and they think that fish you can eat from either side.
Oh, falafels.
Yes, this is
Can I see it?
Yeah, why
If you don't mind, sir. Just one thing. Guys, just look at this falafel. For vegetarian lovers. So I'm sure vegetarian also comes.
Yes.
Yeah?
We have falafel for them. We have hummus.
Good. Thank you.
So this is the Arabic salad.
It goes with olive oil.
Yeah, we need olive oil. This gives the tangy flavor to it, and a pinch of salt.
Thank you, brother.
Welcome.
Now we'll start having food.
Yes.
Alright guys, the food's here, and this is the most different menu that I've done in the recent times, and I see how they're so passionate about their authentic culture and how they want to present the food, and this is looking super duper. Matlab, if you are like 4-5 people and family, you'll enjoy. Hanji, you were saying.
Let me serve you Burma.
Please do. So guys, just check out the burma. You don't have to wear it, you can just keep it.
This is our meat and soup dish Burma.
That we showed before.
Yes.
Just look at this. So this is all mutton broth, huh?
Yes. So take the broth with a little bit lemon.
You can do it for me, it's okay.
Yes. After the soup, you can enjoy the meat, with the rice or with the bread.
And the aloo, the potato.
Yeah, obviously.
ठीक है, I'll dig in, man. Thank you very much, sir. Spoon is here. इधर आओ. So it's called burma, lamb burma, and this is the broth. Huh? Thank you. I've got it, sir. Yeah. अगर ये समझ ना आए ना तो चैनल मत देखना. If you're a mutton lover, let's say lamb lover, mutton lover, the same family by the way. कभी भी आपको इम्यून में कमी लगे या जिंदगी में खुशियों की कमी हो, I promise you, this will be the best thing that you will ever do, man, and the best thing that you'll have. ये कैसे possible है? ये देखो मीट, you see, इसको इसी में डालते हैं. मेरा आगे जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा यार. Hardcore food, man. मजा आ गया. इधर आओ. ये है चोपन. ये देख रहे हो मटन. सो यहाँ हार्डकोर काम हो रहा है, बाय द वे. I promise you, this is so good. हल्का सा लेमन स्क्वीज जो मैंने नहीं किया, and I can promise you, the best thing you will have. सारी सीड्स ही बाहर आ गई. Anyway, there you go. Wow. This is the only food that you can only relish when you're here. अगर आप घर मंगाओगे ना, this mutton will get rubbery, it will get very chewy. अगर गर्मा गर्म खाओगे जो बारबेक्यू से आया है, you'll like it. मज़ा आ गया. ये लो, the Turkish kebab. ये देखो, चलो कबाब से कहते हैं. ये देखो, ये, alright. Oh man. चलो, thank you. यो देखो. So this is which sauce?
This is shatta.
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 Shatta. This is spicy. This is major spicy.
Sahawa.
Sahawan. Major spicy. I know it.
This tomia. Garlic sauce.
Garlic sauce. Guys, come here. ये देखो. एक यही कमी लग रही थी जो पूरी हो गई. ये देखो. Wild food. And you know the good thing, so the spices are not Indian spices कि ना भर के डाल दी and you get that करारापन. I like heavy spices because हम सारे Indian हैं. We are meant to have. हमारा palate ही ऐसा है. But for a change ना, these mild spices are showing so much of justice यार. इसी के साथ में चिकन कबाब देख लो. ये देखो. For all chicken lovers, dip it in the white sauce a little bit. ये मुझे बड़ी पसंद है garlic. If I have to get my friends ना, सब जाएगा यहाँ पे आते हैं. Something that you've never tried before. This is the half alfaham chicken with skin. साथ में fries भी है. ये देख रहे हो? Let's take a bite. Yeah. All right. देख रहे हो? I like the masala. I don't remember the name. So good. And you know, this kind of chicken is so opposite to tandoori. I'm sorry I'm comparing it to tandoori only because Indian food is only because we have more of an Indian audience. But genuinely, the chicken's cooked nicely. It's very tender from inside, not very sukha puka. And they have more than about 100 dishes in their menu. जो तुमने 500 ऑर्डर किए हैं. The one that people love. Wow. Wow is the word. Just one thing I'm saying again. ये सब खानों का मज़ा गर्मा गर्म है. At every cost in any sense. Please ध्यान रखना. ये देखो मंदी. ये 1, 2, 3 go. ये देखो. What did I do? Nothing at all. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया. और यहाँ पे आके देखो ये है जी मंदी राइस. And mandi can be taken with mutton as well. जो हनी थी तो हमने ऑर्डर नहीं की, बट आप उसके साथ भी खा सकते हो. मज़ा आ गया. फाइनली द मेन गेम. आ जाओ. द फिश. इसका इंतज़ार तो मुझे बहुत टाइम से था. अच्छा, एक फ़िश की आपको बात बताई थी ना, आपको फिर रिमाइंड कर रहा हूँ. एक तरफ से बिल्कुल जला देते हैं फ़िश को ताकि अंदर से कुक अच्छी हो, और एक तरफ से रखते हैं पूरी खाने लायक, तो दूसरी तरफ नहीं खानी. इधर आओ. ये जूसेस देख रहे हो? ये सी द जूसेस. ये टेक द मीट आउट. खा जाए. नमक और नींबू और इनका एक स्पेशल मसाला है. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट इट. मीट थोड़ा कम है इसमें क्योंकि एक तरफ पूरा बर्न किया हुआ है, बट आई स्टिल लाइक इट मैन. कांटों वाली है, यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. ये मैं उंगली से निकाल रहा हूँ सारा माल. Just keep on taking it out. सारा मीट ही बाहर आएगा. Which is so good. क्या जी ओनली प्रॉब्लम है काटा ना हो ना मज़ा आ जाए, बट देन फ्लेवर्स भी आते हैं, है कि नहीं है. Once again this place is super duper called Grill Arbi. एक बार आखिरी बाइट लेते हैं with a bread, and you know what I'll do? So can I have that plate, sir? मैं इसका खाने वाला था. Thank you. come here pass out. Thank you sir. I'll take a bit of mutton in my bread. ठीक है. I'll dip it in the broth. There you go. Let's go in. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe if you like the video. Let's go in. बम. बाकी ट्राई कर लेना. डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारी डिटेल है. कैसे वीडियो पसंद है कमेंट बताना. इंस्टा पे अरोरा शुभन, फिर शो रखना. बहुत जल्द मिलूंगा. टेक केयर. सी यू.